Welcome to the second video that will discuss how to use the templates for this particular project on Teen Tips. The only thing that is missing is you do need to add music, and then you need to save it, put it in your Google Drive, and then share the link so others can see your work. So if Canva has been closed, go ahead and get to Canva. Since last time I got it to Canva through Schoology, you may have another way that you get to Canva. But this is how I'm going to do it. I will choose Canva for Education, and I will launch the app, and my project should be here ready for editing. I'm going to go ahead and rename it. I'm going to call it Teen Tips. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And the reason I'm going to go to Bensound for music is if you go to audio over on the left hand side, there's not a lot of options unless you pay for it. So I'm going to go to bensound.com and find a song. I will choose free music. I can start listening to the songs, or I can choose a genre that will be complementary of this type of video. I went ahead and chose ambient because it's kind of mellow and it's kind of serious, and I think the subject is serious. So as I listened to them, I liked the one called Slow Motion. You would choose free download. Do read the terms of use, which requires you in this case to credit bensound.com, which I did on my thank you page. So now I just downloaded it. It is going to be in my downloads folder. I will return to Canva. I'm going to choose uploads, audio, and I'm going to choose upload files and go to that downloads folder and open up Slow Motion. Once it's loaded, I can drag it onto the Canva project. I forgot to mention you need to make sure the duration of the song is not shorter than your presentation. So if you can look at the presentation, you'll be able to see how many seconds this video is. Look down below, it's actually 1 minute. Fortunately, the song Slow Motion is more than 1 minute. I'm going to go to that first slide. I will click on the song and drag it onto the slide. Do make sure that the song is aligned with the beginning of the video so the music starts immediately, and you will see that it goes the duration of the presentation. I'm going to choose the 3 dots and choose audio effects. I'm going to type in 10 seconds for fade in, and I'm going to type in 10 seconds for fade out. You will want to go to the beginning of the presentation, and you will want to test it by hitting the play button. You want to make sure there's no imperfections. Everything was fantastic. I didn't have spelling and grammar errors. Everything was perfect. There was enough time to read the slides based on the seconds. However, I did not replace the video for the thank you page. So I'm going to go ahead and go to video, and I'm going to type in thanks and see if any videos pop up that I can drag over to the right hand side. Because most of the thank you videos require payment, otherwise you're going to have a watermark, I'm going to go ahead and go to Pixabay where I can get copyright friendly videos, images, and so forth and not have to worry about it. So I'm going to go ahead and type in thanks. I will come up to the top where it says images. I will choose videos, and I will look for a video that I think will look good on my presentation. So I found one I like. I will click on it. I will choose free download, and the size 1280 by 720 should be big enough. I will choose download, and it's now being downloaded to my downloads folder. So I'll return to Canva once it's loaded. I will choose the uploads option, video, upload files, and I will go ahead and click on that video. And I will wait patiently for it to load before dragging it onto the slide. Once it's loaded, I will go ahead and replace this video. And I'm going to click on that video and make sure there's no sound. I don't want the sound of any video competing with the song for this presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I will click the seconds, and I'm going to trim it to about here. And now I will rewatch it and be right back. If you watch it and you're very happy with the results, you would choose share in the upper right corner, choose download, make sure it's at MP4, and choose download. Do not close this window. You will need to wait patiently because this might take some time to download. But you can see that it's slowly downloading. You could go ahead and go to your Google Drive and get ready to upload this video to your Canva folder that you should have created. So in this case, I put it in the 8th grade folder, Canva, and this is where I will upload the video in order to share the project. Once it's downloaded, you're now in a position to upload that video from your downloads folder. So I will choose new, file upload. I will go ahead and click on that video to upload it. I'm going to keep both. I don't want to replace the other video, and I will choose upload. and this might take some time to upload to your Google Drive as well. So while that's uploading, you're going to go to your Teen Tips checklist in Schoology, open up that survey in step number 9, and you're going to fill this out. So go ahead and put your information in here, choose your class period, and in this case it's Teen Tips. That's the name of the project. And now we just need to get the hyperlink from your Google Drive in order to share it in this survey. So we'll go back to see if it's loaded. It's still loading. So maybe you can help a classmate. Maybe you could practice typing at this time while you're waiting patiently. Once you can see it in your folder, you're in a position to right-click on that video and choose Get Link. Do make sure that anyone with a link can view it. Otherwise, you're the only person that's able to see this project. You choose Copy Link and then Done. Go back to that survey, right-click and choose Paste, and then Submit. Now do keep in mind, don't panic if you try to double-click on that and it's not playing. That's not an issue. Sometimes it takes a while to process. So be patient if you can't see the video. This concludes the session on how to set up the template, add music, and share your project. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.